Hey there, curious minds and smart shoppers. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Sardar Shahzad Khan YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for the coolest, smartest, and most life-changing gadgets on the planet. Electric plug. Whether you're into clever kitchen tools, next-gen electronics, jaw-dropping home upgrades, or must-have tech for your car, this is the place that will blow your mind and simplify your life. Bulb. Let's be honest, life is hectic. We're constantly juggling work, home, kids, cooking, cleaning, travel, you name it. But what if I told you there are smart gadgets that could do half of that work for you? From automatic stirrers that cook while you relax, to motion sensor lights that guide your steps at night, to wireless tools that fix and upgrade without the mess, the future is already here, and it's available for you. Cell phone with Arrow. Our gadgets aren't just toys. They are powerful tools designed to save you time, effort, and money. Imagine turning your bathroom into a luxury spa with a simple device, or making your home more secure with just one smart plug. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's reality, and it's available right now. Rocket. And the best part? These aren't the kind of products you'll find in every store. These are hand-picked, high-performance, often under-the-radar gadgets that solve real problems. Our channel is all about reviewing, testing, and showcasing these gems, so you know exactly what's worth buying. Every week, we bring you the latest and smartest tech from around the world, tools that make your kitchen cleaner, your office smarter, your car cooler, and your day easier. And yes, they're affordable, durable, and super satisfying to use. Crystal ball. The future of comfort is here. In fact, it's in your hands. Imagine a world where daily tasks are effortless, where